Wadurda the Hunter returns with a prize, a feral cat. Since cats were introduced to Australia, they've become a serious threat to our wildlife. Even in these arid areas, they're common, and so to the Aborigines an additional supply of meat. Each night we camp among the spinifix, and the area must be cleared of prickles and the needle-sharp bushes so that we can sleep in relative comfort around the fires. The ground is cleared in the age-old way, with the edge of a spear thrower, a multi-purpose tool. In earlier times, the Aborigines reared dingoes as pets. Now, the mongrel domestic dog is more common. But I've never seen a dog more devoted to its master than this young bitch. She seems to be observing every detail of her master's spear-making. A modern adaptation of an ancient tool is the use made of this discarded car spring as a chisel. When steel is not available, the Aboriginal craftsmen quite readily revert to using stone. The cat is roasted for the evening meal.